Now in this video I am going to explain about uh, what we have seen in this particular diagram. So with the very first heading is row. The row are region marked by horizontal lines and identified by numbers as 1, 2, 3 and so on. Let me explain with the help of this diagram. As you can see this, so these are the rows marked by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and it keep on increasing. That's why it is written as and so on. So this is known as row. The next is spreadsheet. Excel has a work area where there are many cells. These cells are made up of rows and columns. The sheet or the work area of Excel is called spreadsheet. It can also be called workbook. So let us see here. So this is called the work area, or you can say worksheet window, this whole area, because this is divided into rows and columns. Rows and columns it is divided. That's why it is known as worksheet or workbook. So the next point is column. The columns are vertical rectangular spaces that are marked by A, B, C, D and so on. They start from A and go on till XFD. So now let us see in this particular diagram what is column. You can see here on the top it is column heading. That means it is starting from A, B, C, D and so on till XFD. This particular column heading will be keep on running. So let's come to the next cell. When a new Excel page appears, it is blank. There are just empty cells. A cell is small rectangular space made by row and column. We enter the data in this cell. As you can see here in this particular diagram, the whole this working sheet window is divided into rows and columns, and that rows and columns create a particular cell. If we click on any cell, that cell is known as active cell. So next one is active cell only. The cell which is highlighted by the cell pointer is the active cell. You can see in this diagram, this one, this is the active cell because it is highlighted by the cell pointer, or you can say it is the selected cell. That's why it is highlighted. So this I hope these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 topics are clear. That is row, spreadsheet, column, cell and active cell.